In episode 1, Yang exits the metro station in a snowstorm. A man stops him and asks if he is Yang. Yang denies it and continues on his way. The man suggests taking the train since the metro station is nearby. Yang returns to inform them that the metro station is closed due to the snowstorm, so they should opt for a taxi instead. After advising them, Yang walks away. Next, we see Yinguo entering a bar with her brother. She tries to book a room, but there are no vacancies. Yinguo tells her brother that she needs to make a phone call and stands near the window to talk to her friend. Yang arrives at the bar and notices Yinguo from outside. He continues to look at her for a while before entering the bar. Inside, he meets his friend Wu Wei, who is talking to Yinguo's brother, Xiaoqian. Wu Wei introduces Xiaoqian to Yang, mentioning that he came here for sightseeing. Yang asks Xiaoqian if he came alone, to which Xiaoqian replies that he came with his elder sister, who is currently on a phone call. Yang and Wu Wei decide to go and get some drinks. Meanwhile, Yinguo returns and informs Xiaoqian that her friend, Zheng Yi, is searching for rooms for them. Yinguo instructs Xiaoqian to wake her up when Zheng Yi calls. After a while, Xiaoqian wakes her up, and upon awakening, Yinguo finds Yang standing in front of her. Yang offers to pay for the drinks and takes a seat. Yinguo asks Xiaoqian if he knows them, and Xiaoqian explains that they met while she was away. Wu Wei was speaking Chinese, so I asked him about drinks. Wu Wei advises them to find a hotel soon as it will be hard to get a taxi late at night. Yang mentions he has already found a taxi and can wait until they find a hotel. Wu Wei suggests Yang could give you a ride. Yinguo expresses concern about inconveniencing Yang, but Yang reassures it is just a ride. Wu Wei says that Xiaoqian is our friend, so there is no need to feel embarrassed. Yinguo agrees, and her friend suggests a hotel, urging them to head there quickly. Xiaoqian shows Wu Wei the location, and Wu Wei asks Yang if he knows about the hotel. Yang confirms he knows and mentions the taxi will arrive in 10 minutes. Wu Wei and Xiaoqian then go to the bathroom. Yinguo asks Yang if he studies here or works. Yang confirms he is a student and questions if he appears suspicious. Yinguo responds with a smile. Yang then presents his identification documents to Yinguo, causing her to feel a bit embarrassed. Wu Wei and Xiaoqian return, and the taxi also arrives outside the bar. They put the luggage in the taxi. Yinguo takes a photo of the taxi's number plate, which Yang notices, who smiles in response. Subsequently, Yang, Yinguo, and Xiaoqian board the taxi while Wu Wei heads to his apartment. They arrive at the hotel after a while. Yinguo thanks Yang for giving them a ride. Just as he was about to leave, Xiaoqian stops Yang and asks him to add him on WeChat. Xiaoqian wants to invite Yang for a meal. Yang agrees, and they exchange WeChat information. Following this, Yang boards the taxi and leaves. Upon arriving home, he knocks on the door, but unfortunately, Wu Wei is fast asleep and his phone is switched off. He decides to head to a nearby restaurant for a meal, only to discover that it is closed. Luckily, the owner of the restaurant knows him and opens the door for him. Yang then expresses his intention to spend the night there, to which the owner agrees. Later, at the hotel, Xiaoqian inquires with Yinguo whether Yang had shown her his student ID. Yinguo admits that it caught her off guard and she had not expected him to be from Zheng Yi's university. Xiaoqian remarks that Yang must be a top student. Yang receives noodles from the restaurant owner in the morning, along with the message that the money owed has been returned. Yang explains that the request for repayment was urgent, otherwise there would have been no need to ask for it so soon. The restaurant owner clarifies that it was actually him who owed Yang money, not the other way around. Yinguo and Xiaoqian are making breakfast at the hotel. Xiaoqian suggests that Yinguo personally thank Yang and send her Yang's contact info. Yinguo ponders over what to say to Yang. Xiaoqian advises Yinguo to invite Yang for dinner. Following Xiaoqian's suggestion, Yinguo invites Yang to dinner. Yang responds with a question, "Aren't you afraid of being scammed?" Yinguo apologizes and admits her doubts. Yang reassures Yinguo that it's not a problem. Curious about Yang's whereabouts, Yinguo asks him where he is currently. Yang informs Yinguo that he is heading back to university. After finishing their breakfast, Yingguo and Xiaotian head to the grocery store to purchase some items. Yingguo places a few things in the shopping cart, but Xiaotian intervenes and places them back, informing Yingguo that he had bought tickets and they need to hurry. Confused, Yingguo asks about the tickets. Xiaotian explains that Yang recommended an app, so he bought 2 tickets. Yingguo says, "I told you we're not going." Xiaotian tells Yingguo that he informed Yang about a girl from his university whom he wanted to meet, and Yang extended the invitation. Despite Yingguo not being prepared, Xiaotian insists that they go, emphasizing that she will not have another opportunity due to her training. Yang looks at a photo of Yingguo, and as soon as the train arrives, he boards it. Yingguo and Xiaotian also board the train. Yingguo thanks Yang for his assistance and offers him money, but Yang declines the gesture. Yingguo then instructs Xiaotian to repay Yang once they reach their destination. Wu Wei approaches Yang and takes a seat beside him. Wu Wei mentions that Yang's teacher's daughter is making a long journey to meet him, but Yang seems to be avoiding her, which is not right. This statement upsets Yang, and he requests Wu Wei to leave him alone. Yingguo and Xiaotian spot a burger shop upon their arrival. Xiaotian asks Yingguo if this is the burger that Yang recommended. He mentions that they should grab a bite if they have time. Yingguo agrees, and they both head towards the burger shop. Later on, Yang and Wu Wei also arrive here. Wu Wei expresses his hunger and suggests going to eat burgers, but Yang offers him chocolate instead, stating that they will have the burgers later. Xiaotian sends a message to Yang asking for his whereabouts after leaving the station. Yang informs Xiaotian that he has returned to Hell City. This news surprises Yingguo, and Xiaotian suggests that Yang might have had some urgent tasks to attend to. This angers Yingguo, and Xiaotian begins apologizing to her. In response, Yingguo suggests that since they are already there, they should just proceed with their plans. Xiaotian compliments Yang in the car and shares a photo of the burger they had, crediting it to a good-looking guy. Yingguo downplays the compliment, calling him ordinary. Zheng Yi inquires about photos of him, to which Xiaotian responds he does not have any, jokingly adding that if he were a girl, he would fall in love with him. Xiaotian and Zheng Yi press Yingguo for honesty, to which he responds with a modest comment. Yang also chimes in on the post, praising the girl as well. Yingguo completely forgot that he could also view the post and now feels extremely embarrassed. While riding in the hotel elevator, Xiaotian informs Yingguo that he received a message from Yang, stating that it was because of him that they had to come to this place, so he is arranging a dinner for them. Yingguo responds by saying, "You agreed to it." Xiaotian clarifies, "No, Yang mentioned that his friend would join us, but don't worry, I told him I'll cover the dinner expenses." In the apartment, we see Yang and Wu Wei. Yang's teacher's daughter is present as well. She asks, "Do both of you live here?" Wu Wei responds, "No, I live here." Yang only stays over sometimes. As they gather for dinner, the lady informs Yang, Jiang Yang is facing some difficulties. Upon hearing this, Wu Wei leaves from here. Yang mentions, "I don't have the money or connections to help him." The lady reassures him that money and connections are not necessary. Yang insists that he cannot offer any help. The lady states, "This matter concerns you two brothers, so I will not intervene." She takes out boxes from her bag and mentions, "These are sent by my mother for you." Yang replies, "Sister, I don't need these." Upon hearing this, she remarks, "You finally addressed me as sister today."